In the plenary debate on the DND budget, you also brought up the syllabus branding Philippine history, national situation, and world situation as NPA subjects. Ano yung nakita mo nun exactly na nasita mo siya? Anong syllabus yun?
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah. Ang naging basis po natin is a document from a center connected to the AFP itself. It's the Center for Prevention of Violent Extremism, as they call it. Tapos, ang laman po nun is different ways on how they can stop yung violence daw sa ating bansa. And part nun ay listahan ng mga subjects na tinatag as NPA subjects. And we were so shocked actually na yan kasama doon world history, world situation, national situation. So it's very dangerous at nabigla din tayo hindi dinenay ng AFP, ginustify pa ang
What
ganon.
exactly were they proposing to do to these subjects?
Oh, tatanggalin o papalitan or i-edit yung syllabus?
Mas based po doon sa nakuha nating document when it comes to those topics, history and current events. Ang mode po nila is kapag dinidiscuss daw ang ganung mga topics, that is a clue na nag-recruit for armed groups ang kung sino mang participants sa mga discussion na iyon. Tapos yung isa pa, yung isa po ito very explicit talaga na para daw ma-counter ang mga propaganda di umano ay ang pagtuturo daw halimbawa ng martial law, dapat pinapakita paano ito nakatulong sa ekonomiya. So yun talaga, I think that state-sponsored disinformation na galing mismo sa ating mga supposedly ay bahagi na ating pamahalaan, nagpapakalat ng ganun. So hindi po yun katanggap-tanggap talaga.